Okay guys, so now let's create a method for the user to change the theme here. So for that, let's come back to our home screen. Then right after this, let's move this a bit this side. So right after the title here, inside the app bar, we have a property called actions. So in the actions, let's create the first action, which will be our icon button on pressed. Let's do nothing for now. And then on the icon, let's just bring it down here. On the icon, we're going to get an icon which comes from icons dot let's give it a light theme mode outlined. And then let's also give it a color. The color, we've done this before, it will be the same like this. It will depend on the theme. Let's copy and paste it here. Okay, just like that. Then let's hot restart and see what we have. Okay, we have our light icon, as you can see. And then let's also check the icon. Let's check the theme type as well. So let's copy this and put it here. So also, if the theme type is white, we'll show this icon. If it is dark, let's show another icon which comes from icons dot that's called the dark mode outline. Yes, so let's hot restart. Right now we won't see it because we are in the that is seen. Let's see our logic here. So if theme type, if it is true, we have to show this icon. If it is false, we need to show this. Okay, so we need to change this. So let's cut this and then put it in front. Then let's cut this and then put it after this. So if the theme is dark, we will show this dark icon. If it is light, we will show this light icon, just like this. Okay, that's it for the icons. So let's just press Ctrl A again and then reformat the code. Okay, now let's work on the on pressed. We need to change the theme here. So now here again, let's have a check if you press the button. So if, let's copy this theme status. Okay, if the theme status dot theme type, so if this is true, meaning we have a dark theme, so we are going to say theme status dot set theme. Our setter inside our my themes here, this method now, that's what we are calling. So let's close it. We are going to set this to false. If it is true, we'll set it to false. In the else, we are let's copy this. We are going to set it to true. Let's copy and paste it. So now we are going to set it to true. Let's restart the application. So right now, as you have seen, we have a white theme. If we press here, we need to set this to false, which will change to a dark theme. Actually it's already false. If it is false, like right now, we are going to set it to true, which will change it to the dark theme. If we press it again, it will revert back to the light theme. So let's go on ahead and try it. So if we press here, okay, great, you can see that we are changing the theme. And then press here again, it's coming to light. Press here again, it's coming to dark, and our icon is changing, our text color is also changing. So now we have put a method to change our theme, but we need to do more, because as you can see now it's in the dark theme, and we are even saving the data in our shared preferences here after we set this, but we are not calling it. Let me just show you. If I start the application from the beginning, it will come back to the light theme. So now you have seen that when the application starts from the beginning, it comes back to the light theme. It's not loading our saved data. So let's work on that. We need to come back to our main.dat. So here it's where we need to load our theme before the application goes anywhere. So let's come back in front of the stateless widget here. Click here and then convert to stateful widget. So here, let's remove this comment. Down here, we need to, let's call our init method, this one. And then down here, first let's create our method now to get the current theme status, the saved theme. So for that, let's just say void get current theme. Let's put an async keyword, and then here all we have to do is to await provider dot of. Here we are getting the provider of my theme provider, and then we don't want to listen to any changes. We're just listening once, so we need to say listen dot false dot we have our method which is called get theme status. Yes, this one. So this method is coming from my theme provider, which is this. We are simply getting what we have saved in shared preferences. And then let's come back to our main screen. We don't need this, we can close it. So this method that we have done, we just need to call it here in our init state, get current theme, and that's it. So remember, we are in the dark theme because we saved. Or let's just do it again. Let's click here. So now we are in the dark theme, and then let's start the application from the beginning. If we stop it and start it again, we have to go into the dark theme, because now we have saved it, and then before the application goes anywhere, we are loading it from init state here when main.dat is starting up. Great. So as you can see, guys, our application has started, and it has started from the dark theme, the one that we selected. So now that is all about the theme. We are successfully changing the theme, and then the application is also loading from the theme that we have saved. From now onward, we're just going to continue with building our application. The theme part is done. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.